Welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to turn off sound effects in Sims mobile application. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video right now. First of all, open your Sims mobile application on your mobile device. Once you're in this main home page, tap on the arrow at the right hand corner in white and make sure that you're inside the gear button. Scroll down from the settings option and make sure to switch off the button right next to music and sound effects. Make sure both of the buttons are turned off and it turns purple. Soon after you do that, you can now start playing the game without any music or sound effects. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.